Alright, hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I am John Wick again. So today I would like to share with you some business tips so that it can help you to start your business in the human hair industry. So I am about to share with you the business tips entrepreneurship. So if you find the videos useful for the business, then please subscribe our channel and don't forget to turn on the notifications so that you will never miss out the useful videos. For example, a common question that you can ask is, what is the difference? So first, the top priority balance. So you need to have like a planner. What does it use for? It was used for plannings or business. So for example, you can plan what should you put in priority for today and for tomorrow, for a week, for a month. So you will make sure that you keep things on track. That is very good idea of having a planner. And second, you also need a folder. For what? A folder will use for contain very useful information and documents. So you will never miss out, for example, invoice from customer, from old customer, information about old customer, something like that. And then also about the Excel and Word, that is Microsoft Office. So why I'm talking about it, you have to use those material and tools in order to manage the information. You have to calculate the invoice, to send the price to the customer. So it's very useful if you can use Excel to get the price for the customer. All right. Number two, business card. So business card and thank you card is something must have when you give to the customer. The business card, something like that. This one here is a method. Have your customer, the partners, to keep your contact. So the cost for making a business card is normally around $20 to $30. So that is the price for printing and for designing. So if you want to have free business card, please buy it right now. We will provide you a free business card designing so that you can start building your business. And then number three, tags. So it's very easy to design tags without any cost. I will instruct you to design those cards, those tags on Canva. Firstly, you choose your design site here, and then search some sample tag here and add logo. That's very straightforward, right? You can see it takes less than 2 minutes. We can create a tag. All right, number four, bundle wraps. So we recommend you to use the plastic bag to package your hair because it's very low cost and convenient. And then during the packing process, the hair care tip book is very important. It helps customer in care hair extensions as well as washing steps to help customer avoid problems in caring processing. Now, number five, finally, the catalog. Moreover, the catalogs play a very important role in advertising, campaigning, and marketing strategy. It not only conveys product information to potential customer, but also is a tool to identify the company brand. So normally, the catalog must meet the following requirements. First, product information. You need to be concise, clear about each type of product, color and size. Illustrations, realistic and clear. And finally, layout arrangement. It should be logic so the customer can understand it. Alright, so that's all for this video. I think that is very important and very useful for the business. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to turn on the notifications for more interesting videos like this. See you guys then on the next videos. Bye bye.